Welcome to the future of restaurant management with TechRyde. Leverage AI to optimize kitchen operations, ensuring seamless workflows and prioritizing orders efficiently. Eliminate manual errors with intelligent automation for streamlined order processing. Manage orders, track sales, and monitor operations from a single integrated platform. Keep your customers informed with automated SMS notifications from order placement to delivery. Offer a quick and tailored ordering experience with interactive kiosks and tablet solutions. Boost profits with a commission-free online ordering platform. Utilize analytics to understand customer behavior and drive sales. Access and manage your restaurant operations from anywhere with our cloud-based platform. Adaptable solutions for both single and multi-location operations. Capture and manage orders from all delivery platforms in one place. Operate seamlessly on any device without the need for special hardware. Access video tutorials, online training sessions, and user manuals for effortless software implementation. Implement robust data encryption and secure payment processing to safeguard sensitive information. Ensure your operations comply with industry standards and regulations. Utilize consumer data to design effective marketing campaigns and loyalty programs. Empower managers with mobile accessibility for real-time decision-making. Join over 2,500 global restaurant brands trusting TechRyde. Discover how our AI-driven, tech-first solutions can transform your operations. Experience the future of restaurant management with TechRyde, where technology meets excellence.